जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 22nd श्लोका। Arjuna is asking Sri Krishna Paramatma like this: "O Krishna, take my chariot and station my chariot in a place wherefrom I will be able to see both armies clearly, and then I will decide whose help I have to take from my army." Like that, Arjuna is saying to Krishna Paramatma, having this meaning running in our thoughts while sitting in the shoes of Arjuna in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma at the lotus feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and visualizing that Krishna Paramatma giving Gitopadesham to us directly. Let us chant the sloka. Yavadetan Niriksheham Yodhukaman Avasthitan Kairmaya Sahayodhavyam Asmin Ranasamudyame. The moral from this sloka which we have to be practicing: keep doing all good activities and also do not hesitate to take support from elderly people. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter through 66th and 69th slokas, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita to all my devotees. If you do like that, you will definitely become my most beloved devotee. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this: "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on carrying out all good activities and I shall not hesitate to take support from great people, elderly people. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita to all devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava." Srimad Bhagavatam. Let us do namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Let us do namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Let us do namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Suta Maharshi narrating all the story about Narada Maharshi to all Saunaka and other rishis, saying that, "Oh Maharshis, when Narada told about his previous life to Vyasa Maharshi, now Vyasa Maharshi asking a question to Narada Maharshi like this, "Oh Narada, after those great saintly people gave you Jnanopadesam and they left, what did you do? How did you spend your life after that?" Like this, when Vyasa Maharshi asked Narada Maharshi replying back to Vyasa Maharshi saying that, "Oh Vyasa, I was only son to my mother. My mother was not so greatly educated. My mother did so many works to take care of me, to raise me. She did so much hard work. My mother used to take care of me with so much affection. That is why I did not leave my mother. I stayed with my mother. I was also staying along with my mother in whose house my mother used to work as a maid. I was also staying there. That time I was 5 years old. One day my mother went to milk the milk from a cow, but on her way a snake bite my mother. With that, my mother just died with that poison. Ever since my mother left, my mother departed, I became alone. Then I left that house also, Vyasa. I was just traveling towards northern side. I kept on walking and finally ended up being in a big, huge, dense, dreadful forest. By the time I reached over there, I got so much tired. I was feeling thirsty and hungry also. I did see one small pond over there. I went there, did snanam, did take bath, and I got some water. I drank some water, and I was sitting in a small tree over there. But then I suddenly remembered whatever that saintly people told me, that Sriman Narayana is there in your heart. So I suddenly remembered that fact, and I wanted to see my Sriman Narayana. I started meditating. I started doing dhyanam upon Sriman Narayana. Slowly, while my dhyanam is continuously going on, my mind came into my complete control. Dhyayataha charanambhojam. I started focusing all my attention to the divine lotus-like feet of Sriman Narayana. My dhyanam is continuously going on without any distraction. Oh Vyasa, you know what happened? After some time my dhyanam went on, as and how a small child cries for her own mother. Just like that, I was crying for my Sriman Narayana. I was crying to see my Sriman Narayana within my heart. With that much of affection, I wanted to see, and both my eyes were filled up with tears, and tears are rolling down through the cheeks. Anandasrulu kannulan vedala Romanchambuto Tatpada Dhyana Rudhudanai. I was continuously moving to tears and looking at the divine feet of Sriman Narayana. I could see Sriman Narayana within my own heart, and I am enjoying the divine Swarupam personification and Divyamangala Vigraham of Sriman Narayana within my heart. At some point, I just even forgot that I am seeing and I am enjoying Sriman Narayana's form. I was just so much happy, transcendental happiness I was going through. But suddenly, that form, that Sriman Narayana disappeared. I could not see anymore. Ever since Paramatma disappeared, my craving to see Paramatma started increasing and increasing a lot, and I started again my dhyanam, but again never Paramatma appeared to me. But you know, Vyasa, what happened? Because of that dense forest, I could see no one around me, but I heard a voice of someone talking to me from some corner in that huge, dense, dreadful forest. Who was that? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Sarvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, 22nd sloka. Yavadetan Niriksheham Yodhukaman Avasthitan Kairmaya Sahayodhavyam Asmin Ranasamudyame. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.